Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, let's go.
I'm Kid Inventor, so we're making an angle grinder. So let's see how we're gonna make it out of this tiny motor, this long tube, and this switch. And it will be a smaller version of this. So there's one other person who's gonna help me today. So it will be,
my name is Bobby Joe, assistant.
So we're gonna make a angle grinder with these batteries. So let's see how we make it. So now we're gonna cut the tube. So let's make sure right where we need it. So, once we've done that, we're gonna saw it with this saw.
That's the center. Now here's how you find center. If you put this down right here and run that right to center here, where that line is. Do you see that line that I drew? Okay. And then you put this in here. Here, you take the pen and draw a line along the ruler. Can you draw a straight line along the ruler on the top of the can lid? Yeah, draw along the ruler.
Just go straight down.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna drill a hole into the center of this piece, this olive cutter piece.
Okay.
An olive lid.
An olive lid. Okay.
An olive can lid.
Great. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Real slow. Okay, ready? Okay. Yeah, let it go. All right.
We already made a blade, a new kind of blade, so we're gonna test it out. And I'm gonna put hot glue on it so it can stay. grinder, and this is a cutting wheel. It's an olive lid can, the top. So it needs more power, so I need another 9-volt battery to fire it up more. So thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, let's go.
P.S. I also want to thank Honey and Papa for helping me buy these stuff to help me make the angle grinder. Thank you.